A buckle is assembled in layers. To make rhubarb ginger buttermilk buckle, chop 100 grams fresh rhubarb into small pieces and toss with 20 grams demerara sugar. Then in a separate bowl, make the crumb topping. Scale into a mixing bowl 25 grams stone ground whole wheat cake flour, 25 grams cinnamon icing sugar, and 20 grams cold butter cut into cubes. Rub the butter into the flour and sugar for a few minutes until uniformly crumbly and set the bowl aside. Spread 10 grams room temperature butter on the bottom of 3 small mason jars and set the jars aside too. Then to make the batter, scale the wet and dry ingredients separately. For the wet ingredients, scale 25 grams buttermilk, 2 grams freshly grated ginger, and 1 whole egg. For the dry ingredients, scale 25 grams stone ground cake flour, 15 grams cane sugar, and a pinch of Himalayan salt. Mix the dry into the wet ingredients until combined and divide the batter between the 3 jars. Add 40 grams rhubarb to each jar, making sure the rhubarb is pressed into the batter, and finish with a layer of crumb topping. Then bake in a preheated 350-degree oven for 45 minutes. Serve warm with a scoop of ice cream.